My name's John Cheney, and I'm the CEO and founder of Workbooks CRM. Over the years, I've been involved in building companies not just here in the UK, but around the world, opening offices in North America and in Europe. Always one of the challenges is how you adapt your sales and marketing strategies to accommodate the different regions. So let me give you 3 examples of some things I've learned on that journey. Let's start here in the UK. So when we first launched Workbooks, we invested an awful lot of money in online advertising, paying a digital agency to help us build pay-per-click advertising. They were very happy with their results. It generated loads of leads, but we could see in our CRM platform those leads really weren't converting into the sales pipeline, and they weren't delivering sales and revenue for us. So what looked like a really good outcome, actually, when we analysed the results, really wasn't delivering value for us. We'd been wasting our marketing money. So what we did is we worked with the agency to refine the messaging, change what they were targeting, and over time, we started to build more in our pipeline and ultimately deliver real sales to the business. And I guess that's a great example of where you look at the top end of your sales process to work out whether it's really working and change and refine what you're doing. As we began to internationalise, we launched an operation in North America. Very excited about that. It's clearly a massive marketplace. And as we launched, things began to pick up, but quite quickly we could see that things were stuck in our sales process. We'd qualified deals into the funnel, but we were really struggling to move them from stage 1 to ultimately closing and winning deals. And when we spent some time analysing why, what we could see is that our conversion rates through the funnel were much slower and taking much longer. What we uncovered is our sales teams really weren't confident enough with the messaging and the way to present the solution in the right way. So we invested some time in training, we shipped some of the UK team over to the US and helped them improve their sales execution. That really accelerated our sales processes, and now we've got a very effective operation in North America. If we're honest with that, it's not really the difference in the country that was the challenge, it was just the sales teams weren't as confident and we needed to adapt and educate them in a slightly different way. More recently, we've opened in mainland Europe, very different region, and they operate in very different ways. What we learned there was, actually it wasn't the lead generation that was the problem, nor was it the middle of the funnel. Actually, we executed sales processes pretty well, but we tended at the back end of the process not to win. And when we analysed the metrics around that, what we could see when we looked at our lost reports was price was a continuous theme. So what we needed to do was adapt our pricing for the European market, change the way we were selling the products and make ourselves much more competitive. So I guess every region's different, but every region has some of the same challenges. Understanding what works well at the top of your sales process, how you move things through the middle of your sales process, and what the challenges are with actually closing deals out. And what I've learned is that if you focus on the metrics and you focus on analysing what works and what doesn't, you can quickly adapt and change your business to ensure that you deliver the sales outcomes and business goals that you're looking to achieve.